box. I can't, won't even tell you what you were looking for. You will know it when you find it.
Hello and welcome to another video by Arthos Gamer. Today we're playing some more cooperative with this gamer over here.
This is Our Hill Gamers, form of cooperation. Shoot me.
Oh, don't worry, if this was a shooting game, you'd be long dead by now. I've never played this mission before. Get out of my way.
No, you get out of my way, Mr. Cooperative.
Oh, cool. That's a cliff.
That's not the way.
If there's a wall, there's a way. That actually a line from Portal. If there's a wall, there's a way. Come on. Hello. Insert CD. We have to find a CD. Hello. Oh, okay. You see that one over there?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, pull. You forgot to pull it. Here, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, pull. There we go. Oh.
I got it.
3, 2, 1, pull. Three, two, one, pull.
Hang on, I'm gonna set a timer on it. Just do F, and then do timer.
Me?
Yep. Alright. You do that one on timer. And then pull the other one and I step through. Hang on, let me put my portal on the wall. Okay?
Wait, what are you saying?
Do one on a timer of 3, and then run across and pull the other one when that says 0. And then you open the door, I can step through and make a portal for you.
No, that's not what the timer does.
What does the timer do?
It tells the other person when to pull it.
Oh. Okay.
I forgot what we had to do. Oh, look, the disc that we need. I know there's something over here that I remember I have done this before. And there's something cool over here that I think you'll enjoy, Dad. If I can find it. Oh. Okay. Must be later on the level. Let's go. Let's go.
Congratulations. You managed to complete this absolutely meaningless test. Oh, I almost forgot. When you go outside the testing courses, the only way I can retrieve you is to violently disassemble you, then carefully reassemble you. Luckily, you don't feel pain. At any rate, you don't have a way to communicate that you feel pain. I consider that a failing, by the way.
Ow. Well.
What did she do to you?
She blew us up.
Oh, both of us?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought just you.
You thought you were special?
I'm winning.
No, you're not. No one's winning.
Teacher's pet,
Look
thank
who's
you.
back. Were you scared to continue those tests?
No. How do we do this? We gotta do those over here. Oh. You know what? That makes sense. do this. Hi. So we're just violently disassembled. So how'd you like that, being violently disassembled?
It was fun. No disassemble. 5 alive. Sorry, 80s movie reference.
This
Okay.
course was originally designed to build confidence in humans. To do that, the tests were nothing more than 5 minutes of them walking, followed by me praising them for another 10 minutes on how well they walked. Since you are thankfully not humans, I have changed the tests to make them far more challenging and far less pointlessly fawning.
Put your orange portal here. Let me put my... Follow me through the portal here.
Ow.
You're welcome.
I'm still winning.
Where do I need to fly to? Can you put a portal here? No, that's not what I said. Okay.
Don't go through there.
Put your orange portal down there. I said orange. Put your red portal. Okay. Alright, orange portal down here. Okay. Now that I'm up here, I don't know what to do. What I just activate?
You gotta get up here.
I can do that. Let me just crouch here. Well, that's jump. I accidentally jumped.
And you lived.
Okay, so, can you put your red portal up here?
Oh, over there. Okay.
Now put your red portal here.
Now I gotta get up there.
Oh. Okay, let me get you up there.
Yeah.
Leave your red portal up where it was, on the top area. No.
Not there.
No, you gotta jump back down. Did you see up where it was?
There.
Yeah. Now go through my blue portal. Don't place anything there. Go through
Go
that.
in.
Yes. Now put your orange portal down where the blue one was.
Oh, I just got disoriented there. Alright. Orange down there.
Hmm. Now jump.
I'm gonna die.
Yes, you are. Oh, hi! No! How did I end up there?
Is that not what you wanted?
No! Stay here. Put your red portal there.
Okay.
You scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. Oh. Don't change it anyway.
Okay.
This is where you should be.
Alright, we got a ball. My ball.
You did an excellent job placing the edgeless safety cube in the receptacle. You should be very... Oh wait, that's right, you're not humans. I can drop the fake praise. You have no idea how tiring it is to praise someone for placing an edgeless safety cube into a receptacle designed to exactly fit an edgeless safety cube.
Yeah.
Wow.
I really can understand how tiring it would be. Seems like it would be pretty tiring.
I agree.
Electrocuted, shot, drowned, crushed, burned in goo.
Oh.
Sorry. I was just thinking of all the ways humans can die. You can't die in any of those ways. You just keep testing and testing. With perfect results and no consequences.
Everyone's gonna die someday. It's gonna be fun. Okay. I know exactly what needs to be done here, okay?
Alright.
Put one portal here. Portal here.
I think I have to play a single player at some point.
Yeah.
Portal there and where? Down here?
Yeah. Now watch the fun happen. Wait, let me.
That was fun! Dropped it really bad.
So you see, so you know the place where you put your red portal originally.
Uh-huh.
Press the button, and then put the red portal there.
Okay.
I said press the button first.
Was that necessary?
Your turn. Your turn. Get in there. Your turn.
I can't stop laughing. Oh my goodness.
I said press the button first. Get in there.
Oh my god. I can't. Alright, no, I'm not getting in there. Oh my god.
What? No. 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 No.
I'm not doing it.
I don't
You're
trust.
gonna kill me.
I don't trust you. I know exactly what I need to do, so you can do it. No. Okay. I trust you.
You trust me.
Yeah.
Alright, here you go. I had the hiccups I laughed so
Press
hard.
the button first.
I know, I got it.
Where am I? What's going on?
I got the hiccup. Oh my god.
Okay. Now it's your turn to trust me. Yes, we're doing this again.
Why don't I? I knew you were going to do that. Mine was an accident.
I didn't. Well, no, I definitely meant to, but. Go again.
Yeah, yeah,
You should have flipped.
Every time you fail, it's a reminder of the way things used to be. But then there you are,
I'm winning.
again, like nothing happened.
You gonna get in here too? Thank you.
Oh. I didn't realize it wasn't
Oh man. I gotta watch that again.
there. I'm so glad we caught that on video.
I need a drink.
I'm drinking Snapple.
The best way to build
Can you
confidence
pause
is
it,
to
or
first
is it
recognize
matter
your
if we just sit here for a second?
insecurities. Orange, can
We
you
can stay here
write
for a
down
second.
all the
Pause
ways
the
you
video, I
feel
wanna get a drink.
unworthy, ashamed?
Okay, I'm back.
Let's do this. Oh, wait, I want to use controller, not keyboard.
Unless this is a good time to go do them.
No, let's keep going for now. I want to try to finish this up first.
If it gets to be like 8:15, we gotta stop. Are you going?
Huh?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me. I probably shouldn't be burping and recording. Hey, can you do me a favor? Trust me and walk across there. Well, you didn't feel like jumping?
Oh, across here.
Yeah.
I don't trust you.
Why not? Oh, sorry, I hit the wrong button.
How is this even science, without the possibility of death?
I don't even know if we're supposed to go over there yet, so. Oh, hi. Was a very scientific way of going through there. Oh. Yeah, I know where you're supposed to go. Trust me. Oh, the reason why that's there is so you can't do it. You going fast enough? You go? Oh god.
Ow.
Grab the ball.
If you drop me, so help me.
I won't do it. No.
Uh-huh.
I won't do it. Just give me the ball. If you'd give me the ball, I would have dropped you.
Oh, I forgot I can't get through there with the balls.
Oops.
Damn it.
Oh. Well, hey, how about you throw me this time? I want to be thrown again.
Where exactly am I throwing you from?
You forgot to...
Oh, up there, okay. Are you jumping?
No, because you walked through this, removing your portal.
Oh.
You need to fall off there.
I didn't realize that removed my portal.
Ow.
Exactly. Now I want everybody to observe I'm not going to drop him like a good teammate, unlike the other guy who would.
Oh, stay down there. Stay down there. Now hand me the ball.
Ah.
There we go. We got it. We did.
And they said no one would ever die during this test.
That was
Thanks
his
for
fault.
proving them wrong.
His fault.
No one died during this test for robots. Duh.
Alright, why don't you stop that? Or pause that?
What?
I wonder if she's been bitching at us.
Probably. Oh, I remember this one. Or do it. Okay. Oh.
Are you warping?
Yeah.
But I gotta figure out where to actually drop you out of now. See, gotta be a spot that I can.
If you go over to the... See those things next to you? Here, by the way? See those?
Uh-huh.
Put me in the one, that one, yeah, sure.
I don't see any platforms I can
The
put
bottom.
the portal on now.
Bottom.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't see the button, so we have to start over again.
Okay.
Okay. You did it bad. Here, get on. No, you get on. You have to be or a certain way. If you press I don't know, button for you. You can see the person's screen. Hit the button. Oh, that's behind you.
Did I hit it?
No. No, you didn't. Oh, I know what I was supposed to do. Okay. So get on there. You're supposed to go back in the portal.
Oh.
No. Not anymore.
Oh, tell me that ahead of time next time.
Keep going to the portals. You gotta make sure you keep going to the portals.
Okay.
It won't work if you don't keep going to the portals. I try to hit the buttons on the other side of you. That's also helpful. So you see what I did there, okay? Now do it for me.
Okay. So I gotta have the bottom one be the one that I'm doing on the platform, right?
No, top one.
Top one. Okay. So I'm doing the red is what I gotta do, right?
No, yellow.
No, yellow.
Wait, I don't go high enough?
Yeah, you
That's
go
what I
by the
did.
button. There, you got that one. Got them both.
Begin
Balls.
juggling test in 3, 2, 1.
You dropped a bunch of balls.
Okay.
I guess you only need one of all those balls.
I guess. I'm almost at a Snapple. So I'm almost at a Snapple.
Did you notice I didn't even stay to
Two
the
more
end of your
tests.
last test? I was confident you could finish. Do you know where I was? I was outside watching some deer frolic. You don't even care about the outside, do you?
Ow. It's a wall. Did you see what I did? Oh, well, that's the whole first part of the test. Why are you sneaking?
I'm not sneaking.
Well, no, don't do that.
Oh, don't do that?
Do that. That's
What?
fine. That's fine. Just do that.
I'm good.
Yeah, you're fine. Okay. Well, put portal there. There you. Okay. And now put the other portal somewhere you can see a portal placement place.
I don't think there are one.
There has to be.
Oh, maybe I can. There. Oh, on the other side of that. There we go.
Oh, hold on. My face at the wall. Okay. So go back through. And put your put one of your portals up there. And the other portal up there. Go through.
I win.
Thanks to me.
Need me to do something over here?
Oh, good idea. Wait, what? No. Dang, you had a good idea and then you messed it up.
Oh.
So,
Oh, before I take my portal down?
yeah. Okay. So,
Should it start over?
probably, yeah.
Because I got red on this side, or one of them on this side, and the opposite one on the other panel, right? Alright, what do you need me to set up here? I'm doing the ones on the floor, right?
jump through that, yeah.
Now.
Okay, put one on there.
Does it matter which one?
No. And jump down where I am.
I'll be back where I started.
You put it up there.
Okay.
You'll see. Just don't make sure you don't go into that thing behind you.
Uh-huh.
So go forward. Okay, now stay there. Okay, so now go through there. And don't go through that yet. Okay, now you can. It should work. If not, you're gonna be in trouble. Okay, it worked. Why are you still crouching?
I'm not crouching.
Look at my screen.
It looks like I'm crouching. What is the crouch button?
Oh, I don't know. For you, it's probably shift.
Am I still?
Yeah. Ow. 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 Wait, watch me do it. Watch me
You
again.
know what makes me laugh?
Ow.
The thought of you cutting that out.
Ow. Ugh.
I don't think I'm crouching.
On my screen you are, but
Does it matter?
no, it just looks weird. Bye. Put the cube there.
I guess it's on it.
Okay, so put a portal there. You can go down now. And then up where we had the aerial faith plate, put it above that. Now don't jump through yet. You should be good.
Wow. How do we get you here?
I have no idea.
Let's see. I need somewhere you can get to. Can you go through this platform down here?
I can't.
Okay. Go.
Oh.
Do you know who dances around like an imbecile when they accomplish the tiniest little thing? Humans. That's what you look like right now. You're better than that.
Well, technically we are humans, so.
Says you.
No, it says you. So there's gonna be one more test, I think, depending on where we are now. I'm pretty sure we haven't done the 6 tests yet. We're gonna do 6 chambers per episode.
If your confidence is
Here you
still
go.
not high enough, remember no one was created perfect. Even I was created with an imperfection. I was given too much empathy with human suffering, but I overcame my handicap. That's a true story.
The heck? Okay. Put a portal there and there. Thank you. Ow. Well. Hi. Well. This would be endless for me.
Alright, well, once you're in the air, I probably gotta redirect my yellow somewhere. Right?
I have no idea. I can't tell. I don't know anymore.
Probably when you're in the air, we gotta redirect. Like, I let you go through the red, and then. Oh, you're in there.
Oh, hey. Hey, Dad.
Hey.
You just walk right through there. So I don't know why we did that.
Because that was pointless? We need a cube.
I think we needed someone over there. Okay. So I have a portal there and a portal there. I'm gonna try this. Oh. There's our cube.
Yep.
You see that catch?
I did, thanks, yeah. Alright, now we gotta get up back on the platform again.
Atlas is on the money.
Is that right?
Yeah. You stay here.
Okay. Can you fire those two off for me?
If I could leave you here, I would.
Wow.
So go back through there. and-
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
Okay. I'll catch you.
You didn't catch me.
what I want to do is I want to hit you, so you just stop in midair.
Oh, we're not done.
Excellent work.
What do I do?
Good job.
What are we doing?
You are doing wonderfully. Excellent.
Oh, she's criticizing you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know what I need to do. In 3, 2, 1, hit it. Oh. Try again. Not yet. In 3, 2, 1, go. Maybe sooner next time. So go now. Okay, not that soon. I'm just seeing you're bouncing. Yeah, what are you doing?
Nothing. trying to think when I actually have to get it to you.
Try now. That was close.
That's the right timing. He's gotta be able to grab it. Okay, obviously that looks later than I expected. Pretty close?
A little earlier.
Oh! Hey, nice!
I actually stop this painful loop.
Congratulations on completing that last test. But I find something
You piece of
troubling
crap.
without the
Oh,
looming
shit.
consequence of death.
Oh,
Is this
no, I'm
even
sorry.
science?
I didn't know I was supposed to hit the button again.
You piece of crap. We were done.
I thought they needed to both be yellow. Sorry.
We were
Now I
done.
see what's going on. Alright. I'm not gonna touch anything. Walking away. Walking away. Walking away.
You see the aerial faith plate? Walk on it.
Do what?
The thing on the ground. Walk on it. That's all the time we have for this video. I don't know how long this is, but it's probably pretty long. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next Portal video. Say bye.
Bye.